वेट वेट वेट, क्या आप भी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं और ढूंढ रहे हैं कि कहाँ पर इंग्लिश सीखी जाए? सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर इंग्लिश एंड विल फाइंड आउट द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ इंग्लिश। Join me. Why have you joined English?
Overall, English didn't improve my language; it improved my personality.
Like what kind of facilities does English provide to its students?
At English Center, we have many facilities like outdoor activities, and in outdoor activities, we are having poster presentations,
Oh,
group
very good.
presentations.
Why not other institute? Why only English?
English Institute stands out as a reliable and modern learning center.
English really helps students to grow or to boost up their confidence.
Getting confidence isn't easy, but having confidence is really beneficial. English provides you how to speak, how to be positive. English opens the door of opportunities, the door of confidence, and remove hesitation.
Welcome back. I am known as Saviswan on the behalf of English in Hyderabad Sindh, and warmly welcome you and all of you as well as my guest. Thank you for joining me. Okay, as you know that I have some questions and some queries regarding English in Institute, and I think so that you all are the students of English. Am I right? Okay, so I have multiple questions regarding English and if I just wanna know, like some of you are there, like you people are five are there. Just I want your short reviews regarding the English. Okay, so are you ready, guys? Yes. That's great. So my first question is to Miss Misher. Assalamu alaikum, first of all.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay, how are you?
I'm safe and sound.
Okay, Misher, I have a question. If you don't mind, so may I ask you right now?
Yes, you may.
Are you comfortable? Will you answer me?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Miss Misher, I have a question that why have you joined English? There are the multiple institutions are there. Why just English? What's the reason?
I joined English because I realized that English is not a subject. It's a global language, and here I learn how to think in English, not just translate. Here I learn how to speak English fluently. And the other main thing is that I learn here how to improve my communication skills in different situations, like in discussions and in presentations. But the most important thing I learned from English is that I improve my mindset and I just focus on progress, not perfection. Overall,
Great.
overall, English didn't improve my language. It improved my personality. It transformed my confidence and the way I present myself today. And I am ready to face my real life challenges.
That's great. Right now you are in Jano 3.
Yes.
Okay, and you have been learning since it started.
Yes.
That's great. Okay, I have another questions. Means welcome, Miss Malala. Right, Miss Malala, how are you first?
I am on cloud 9.
That's great. You are on cloud 9. Okay, that's what's the meaning of this?
Like feeling happy.
Okay, you are feeling happy. That's
Yes.
great. So may I ask question to you? Are
Of
you
course.
comfortable?
Yes,
Are
I
you
am.
confident?
Yes, I am.
So that's great. So Miss Malala, I have another question for you that is very interesting. Actually, my viewers are there. They just want to know about English, so therefore we are just making. क्योंकि हमारे जो viewers हैं वो जानना चाहते हैं इंग्लिश के बारे में, क्योंकि वो भी चाहते हैं आप लोगों की तरह इंग्लिश सीखना, इंग्लिश बोलना, क्योंकि इंग्लिश समझना आसान है, बोलना मुश्किल है। तो इसीलिए कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो मतलब डिज़ायर रखते हैं अपने दिल के अंदर कि इंग्लिश हम भी आप लोगों की तरह बोलें, तो इट कैन बी एसेंशियल और इट कैन बी बेनिफिट फॉर देम एज वेल एज। अगर वो आप लोग को देखेंगे तो ये उनके लिए कॉन्फिडेंट का बायस बनेगा और दे कैन आल्सो ज्वाइन इंग्लिश एंड फॉर लर्निंग एज वेल एज। ओके मिस मलाला, आई हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, लाइक फैसिलिटीज. What do we have, what kind of facilities does English provide to its students? May you please elaborate that which kind of facilities the students are having right now at English?
At English Center, we have many facilities like outdoor activities, and in outdoor activities, we are having poster presentations,
Oh,
group
very good.
presentations, and pair presentations and Q&A sessions. And We also have the indoor activities, and we have the debate. So due to the debate, we can favor our argument with any person, and we learn from the debate that we can stand for our rights. And we have the reading papers that we have to do in a week. So by reading the reading papers, students can make their pronunciation strongest, and they can learn new vocabulary from the reading paper, and that will help the student in their future, because they won't have to worry about the pronunciation.
Exactly. Yeah, they worry about. Continue, please. Very good.
Won't have to worry about the pronunciation, because they already have the ideas. And if I talk about, so the things that I told you, that comes in conversation class. And if I talk about the grammar class, so we are having bundle of things in grammar class, like teacher teaches us the essay writing in grammar class. um, that will help the student in CSS test. and
Very good. There are
and
multiple tests are there. CSS is there, CC is there, and multiple competitive exams are there.
Yes.
Yes, please continue.
and um, and in grammar class, we just focus on our writing skills, like we learn tenses in grammar class, we learn new uses in grammar class. And if I talk about the teachers of English, so they are brilliant, like Sir Sabi, Sir Saad, Miss Sidra, Miss Ruksar, Sir Momin. So these are the facilities of English in Sindh.
Okay, means that you are just talking about the like system, that what do we have basically. Okay, तो ये तमाम चीज़ें जो थी मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है एक स्टूडेंट्स की लाइफ के अंदर. अगर हम बात करें कि एक स्टूडेंट जो हर लेवल पे, सपोज अगर वो स्कूल का स्टूडेंट्स है, वो स्टूडेंट अगर कॉलेज का है, अगर वो स्टूडेंट यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल का है, तो ये तमाम चीज़ें, स्पेशली प्रेजेंटेशंस, स्पेशली टेस्ट, ये बहुत काम में आने वाली चीज़ें हैं जो कि आपके हर लेवल पे काम में आती है. तो अगर आप इन तमाम चीज़ों से मतलब यानी कि क्रॉस करते हो, अगर आप इन चीज़ों को फेस करते हो, तो आपका 50 और 60-70% काम वैसे ही हो जाता है, बिकॉज दीज थिंग्स रियली हेल्प अस ओके इन आर बिल्डिंग आर कॉन्फिडेंस एज वेल एज. So Miss Malala, you have just done a great job. You have given a great answer. Okay, so I have another question to Mr. Arslan. So Arslan, are you fine?
Yes, sir. I'm over the moon.
That's great. I have a question for you. Do you want to answer?
Yes, sir.
That's great. Mr. Arslan, are you part of English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you want to suggest somebody to join English?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Obviously.
and why? Like, why do you want to suggest someone to join English? Why not other institute? Why only English? Please.
Yes, sir. If someone is a new student and searching the right institute in their areas, but they don't know about this situation, but if I know about that, they feel confused about them. Is this not an easy decision? But it's the one. There's the this thing is that, and honestly speaking, at this time, English Institute stands out as a reliable and modern learning center. This institute helps the students, and speaking English is not an easy. But if you are coming here for learning English, so it's the beneficial for you. But this institute makes your this institute focuses on building strong communication skills that makes positive and engaging environment. The classrooms are productive and the teachers are highly supportive, which makes learning both effective and enjoyable for you.
Okay, so Mr. Halaf, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, are you confident?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
So, Halar, what should I ask you? You are very young. How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Okay, that's great. In which class you are? Here at English.
I am in General 2.
That's great. Are you as confident before when you took admission at English?
Yes.
Same confident or you were not confident? Tell please to the viewers.
Like in a starter class, I was not as much confident as I am now, because in a starter class, I afraid by speaking in front of people, teachers, and other classmates. But now I become very confident, and I can speak in front of people, teachers, or in other classes. And
Very good. Okay, means you can easily give the presentations
Yes.
and vivas and interviews at your school as well as.
yes,
So means it really helps you.
yes.
That's great. Means that you're helping and growing as well as. Well done. Good job. Okay, my next questions to Miss Huria. Huria, what do you think about? You're also like a good speaker as well as. So I have a question about English. That English really helps students to grow or to boost up their confidence. What is your recommend and what's your suggestions? Please tell me about this.
Yes, absolutely. English Institute is really amazing institute. It's not only an institute. Here we learn lot of things, idioms, phrases, as Malala and as other girls said. So like this, and getting confidence isn't easy, but having confidence is really beneficial. English provides you how to speak, how to be positive. English opens the door of opportunities, the door of confidence, and remove hesitation. I'm a student of Journal 2, and you can see I have a great and well confidence. If you want to be a good speaker, so you should definitely join English. I must recommend if you come in English, so you'll get confidence and you'll be a positive speaker. Thank you so much.
सो व्यूवर्स, आई थिंक सो योर वेट इज़ ओवर। आपने देखा होगा कि इंग्लिश इनके स्टूडेंट्स माशाल्लाह बहुत खूब और अच्छी अपने अंदाज के अंदर इंग्लिश के अंदर बयान कर रहे थे। वो सब बता रहे थे कि इंग्लिश इनमें क्या क्या चीज़ें प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं और क्या क्या सिस्टम हमारे पास है। तो आप भी परेशान हैं अपनी इंग्लिश को लेकर, तो प्लीज़ डू नॉट वरी अबाउट इट, जॉइन अस वेरी सून, विल बी वेटिंग फॉर यू। अगर आप भी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ be the part of English. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.